Okay, let's finish this conversation demo by tweaking the last couple issues we had. The first issue was the male servant. He had heard the trap go off and made a comment about it. So what I'm going to do is go to attributes hearing and set to below average, and that should be fine for taking care of that. The next issue is the button in the conversation clicks before the servant actually pushes the button with the motion. So what we're going to do is clone this button and put a hidden button in this post. Okay, and I'm going to call that click me 2. And it's also doesn't have any sound when it clicks. So I'm going to go back to the original button and clear out this class tag that I cleared out. And that's going to put sound back on that button when it clicks. So now the conversation, we're going to update that one, and instead we're going to click the hidden button. And what's that? Then we're going to link the hidden button to the emitter trap with control device. So now we have a hidden button the conversation calls. And what that allows us to do is set a delay on it. So I'm going to create a new type of trap called a relay trap, and I'll show you what that does. So let me place the relay trap here, and I'm going to have this button actually control the relay trap. Sorry, not the emitter trap. So let me link that to the relay trap, not the emitter trap. And on the relay trap, we can add some properties. So first we're going to add a script called trap timed relay. And don't inherit the trap relay, just make the script trap time relay. So that's going to allow us to add this timing script. So this is in milliseconds. I'm going to put 1500. So that's going to delay the execution of whatever this relay trap controls by 1.5 seconds, since that's in milliseconds. So now, when this button calls the relay trap, it's going to wait 1.5 seconds, and then the relay trap will fire the emitter trap. So that's going to help us line up the trap device to shoot the arrow at the same time the servant actually presses the button with the motion. So another thing we can do that's pretty cool is add the click sound back at the right time. So to do that, what I need is to add a sound trap. So let's put a sound trap right next to the button he's going to click so it emits the proper sound. What I need to do is add sound description. So I'm going to add a sound description link to button push. Alright, I happen to know that by heart, but the way you see it is if you go to Object Hierarchy and go to Sound, under Schema, you can look under Devices, Device Switch, and you can see all of the sounds. So button push is this sound. So it's kind of a pain to look through these, but you can try them out by linking to a device and just playing their different sounds and see what you get. So anyway, now that I have that sound trap, I need to also have the relay trap control that sound trap. So let me get the sound trap object number, and I'm going to link with control device to that sound trap. And the relay trap also needs to control the emitter trap. Thought I did that already. Did I mess up something? I don't know. Let me look at the button. Okay. Well, anyway, let's test it out and see what we've got now.
What was that noise?
Perfect. The only thing is, he still said what was that noise. So clearly below average wasn't enough. Let's try well below average.
Can you believe this mess they expect us to clean up? There was some moron passed out drunk under the table in the ballroom, and it looks like they had a food fight in there.
But why? What can my lord see in these heretics?
Perfect. Much better. So that was our conversation. Well, that was the demo. I hope you enjoyed it, and got to think about what I want to show next. Bye for now.